Wicked.
Hello, everybody. Hello, happy lunchtime.
Welcome to Daytime Live. Happy Friday. But today's a special day. Today is Nisha Yen's birthday. Happy birthday,
Yes.
Nisha. Ray!
Yay!
We're supposed to get excited.
I was
Ray!
born. I born. My born day, someone said. Happy
That's
born
awesome,
day.
man. That's
I was
awesome.
like, thank you.
So it's a special day. So how are you celebrating this birthday? You going to do a weekend thing?
I'm going to do a little weekend thing. I'm going to just chill out, go away a little bit, have a little...
Go away a little bit.
Yes, go away a little bit.
Sip tea.
Yes, no comment. So yeah, so thank you for that. I appreciate that. It's
I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have many, many more to come.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I've had lots of love and lots of people reaching out. So that's really awesome. So I'm feeling a little emotional about that, So big up to my mom because, it's her special day really, as opposed to mine. You know what I'm saying? Because, she did the work. So,
I got you.
So, okay, guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter, which is at TVJ_Daytime Live, and on Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live.
Also, if you want to be a part of our studio audience, be sure to log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed.
And you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com. Okay, so let's get buzzing.
We kick off with some good news today. TV host and JIS Deputy Chief Executive Officer Ian Boyne is out of the intensive care unit at the University Hospital and is recuperating well in the Tony Thwaite wing. Said in a JIS release on Wednesday, Mr. Boyne was updated on the concern expressed by all of us here and many Jamaicans, and he was deeply touched. The veteran journalist also sought to assure everyone that he is doing well and will soon be back on the job. So we're looking forward to seeing him back at TVJ very soon.
Yes, we are. And we love him because I remember when we first started here on Daytime Live, he was very kind to us. He had some kind word. He was very supportive. And sometimes when you're starting out, people aren't necessarily the most, supportive necessarily, and he was so wonderful. He was really nice, really good guy. So we're looking forward to doing coffee. So big up yourself. Yes.
Also, the biannual Shaggy and Friends benefit concert is back on January 6, 2018, and it will take place on the prestigious lawns of Jamaica House. Shaggy has invited some of his amazing friends to perform local and international acts such as Third World, Capleton, Moorfire, Wayne Wonder, Idonia, Christopher 6th. Martin, Bungie Garlin, and Fair and Lions. That is soca monarchy right there.
That's right.
Fetty Wap, Wyclef Jean,
January
and
6th.
A host of others. Check out this video.
Yes.
For the real thing.
Hotness of Guan. I can't wait to see it.
January 6th.
Yeah, you go.
At Jamaica House, in Jamaica, we'll be doing our biannual Shaggy and Friends concert. And guess who will be there?
His friend, Sting. Looking forward to been to Jamaica in many, many years. Can't wait.
Yes.
I'm going to sing a few of my songs.
Few of your songs.
Going to sing together.
Right.
Be on stage together, and it's going to be fab.
And we're dropping a new one. So look out for that. Shaggy and Friends, Jamaica, Sting, Shaggy. It's up, and it's all for good cause for the Bustamante Hospital for Children. All right? Full charity. There you go.
Hold on a little bit. Is Sting that?
That's Sting, brethren.
I don't know, regular something.
That's Sting. That's a policeman. That's
I want to
Sting.
talk Waspar Bees.
No, man, we're
real
talking the
Sting,
big man
official
Sting.
business.
Yeah. Yes.
Police business.
Yes, police of Jamaica. So don't forget
That's
that
serious.
Shaggy and Friends is in aid of Bustamante Children's Hospital. I'm just going to throw that out there.
No, man, that's awesome, man. I love to see when people use their power to do things to aid causes like that. It's really awesome. And Bustamante Children's Hospital is the only hospital of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean. So that's really kudos, Shaggy. A long time you do it.
And on the lawns, it's all outside. It's wonderfully. Yes, let's all go down.
So natural, good vibes. Always a good show.
Yeah.
Big up, big up. A federal judge ruled on Thursday that a former South Carolina police officer committed second-degree murder when he shot an unarmed black motorist to death. U.S. District Judge David Norton made that determination in the April 2015 shooting of Walter Scott by former North Charleston officer Michael Slager, who has been in jail since, pleading guilty in May to violating Scott's civil rights. The judge also said that Slager, 36, obstructed justice when he made statements to the state police after the shooting. So this is a white policeman that was charged for shooting the black unarmed motorist. And I think this is the first case that the officer has been found guilty.
It's the first one I've heard of.
Yeah, so that's awesome too. Well, I mean, we hope that justice was served in every case, but it feels like it was really served
Yeah.
in this case.
Yeah, they were his attorney was trying to go for an easier sentence, but of course everybody disagreed with that because the gentleman said that he was fearing for his life. So as the victim was running away, he was fearing for his safety.
Yeah,
So that's why he shot him.
It didn't
Apparently,
make any sense because 7
You
shots
know,
were fired. He got
8 shots and
the 5 in the back.
Yes,
So
as he was running away, he
yeah.
was scared for his life. I'm just going to say that again.
I can't understand
Yeah.
how these 5 shots were made in somebody's back for in an act of self-defense.
Self-defense as he was running away from him.
Yeah,
Yeah. So I just keep saying that. So.
And I mean, a lot of testimonies came out in the courtroom. Apparently, the son, the youngest son of the now deceased, he was clutching a picture of his father, saying that boy, he doesn't know what he's going to do. He's gonna miss the games that he used to watch with his father. I mean, that's a child robbed of his main role model.
Yeah.
So when things like that happen, I mean.
But for me, like what they're doing, but the judge is trying to ascertain what is a good sentence, and they used persons' testimonials to determine how long he thinks that the guy should go away for. So for me, I'm kind of like, how do you talk about what is the value of a person's life?
Yeah.
How do you determine that? Because for that little boy, for the rest of his life, he has no father.
And how do you make a non-emotional ruling
Yeah,
in situations like that? I mean, it's difficult. But he was found guilty, so we'll see what happens and we'll see the sentence soon. Wildfires continued to ravage Southern California for a 5th day, Friday, with growing blazes and a few fires sending rivers of flames through communities and injuring several people. The largest of the fires is said to spread nearly 180 square miles and crept towards the college town of Santa Barbara, while a new blaze in San Diego County grew quickly and dangerously, forcing rounds of evacuations. Like, I don't even know what I'd do in the face of a fire like that.
Yes,
I
it's
mean,
true. Yes, and these dangers came as firefighters confronted half dozen blazes across the region. Fires that imperiled communities and homes and burned through streets and roared over mountains, forcing many to flee and leaving them with no idea when they could return home or if they would have anything when they did finally return. Hundreds of homes are burning and destroyed, and thousands more remained in danger.
I don't even think words do this any justice. I think we have a video. Let's see what's going on. Look at that. Yo, look at that, man.
Really.
Rastaman call them thing the Armageddon,
Yeah.
like them thing there. I see that
true.
look like some serious
That's
end
true,
of days
man.
business, man.
But I will say this morning on Instagram, I saw a little video of a guy desperately trying to save a little rabbit, a little baby rabbit.
I did
and
see
he was
that.
like frantically like, come. So that was kind of cute amidst all the, oh my gosh, the devastation. It's good to know that people are still looking out for each other and looking out for the rabbits and, you know what I'm saying.
Remember to look out for the rabbits.
No, but it's true because a lot of people are the animals as well. You have to think about everybody. Like
True words.
the fire is affecting everyone, so it's
True
good to know
words.
everyone's being looked after at a time.
But
such
now,
as this. But now,
Tis the season for giving, so this is now time for the Christmas giveaway, courtesy of Hilo. What you need to do is log on to our Facebook page now. That's TVJ Daytime Live. Like the page and answer the question on the page immediately. If you don't, you cannot win the $2,000 gift voucher from Hilo Stores. The question today is, name the charity cause that Shaggy and Friends is in aid of.
I know the answer,
Me too.
and I need something
So
off
we
of
must
my
to log on to
grocery shopping too
Facebook.
at
Hold on,
high
let me go for my
low.
phone. Log on to Facebook.
Right. So I think I want to hope that I can get a little.
In the
Save
meantime,
some
though, we
Christmas
have a
monies.
surprise for you, Cheyenne.
What you talk? What you talking about?
Joel sent a shout out video for you on your birthday.
Joel.
General man.
Where is he? Where's Joel?
Where did we there?
Where's Joel? Where is he? He's not here. I thought he was coming. You know, I thought today I was going to have all the mans them.
All the mans.
Where's the mans them?
No, mans,
Everybody, right,
mans
guys. I thought I'd have.
Joel's not hot.
Joel's not. Joel is hot. Mans is hot. Joel's
Hold
not
on, see
here.
me. I hope you never hear me.
I know him. I'm confused. Dude. Hey. So where's the video? Is there a video?
What the video?
And just ensure that you get some rest. Ensure that you party, you turn up. Yes, because that's what and have a 1,000 red wines. Because Hi Nisha, happy birthday. I hope you live to see 1,000 more. I hope you have a naturalista, curvilicious, all the terms that we'll learn on Daytime Live Day. And just ensure that you get some rest. Ensure that
I just love live television. It's amazing. At least we're live now, guys. And I'm having a little problem with my little button right here that refuses to stay closed. So,
No, man, that's
anywho,
cool, man.
don't look.
The winner of the Christmas giveaway from Hilo is Curtis Gregory.
Curtis Gregory, big up yourself.
Big up yourself,
Hilo,
General.
free gifts.
So that's a
Loving it.
$2,000 gift voucher for Hilo stores. So maximum respect and congratulations, Curtis.
Curtis Gregory, hi.
Yeah.
Yes.
I wonder
just
why my buy.
Thank you, Joel, for my message. I miss you. I will see you later. You know what I'm talking about. Yes.
All right, we're going for break now. So we'll see you when we return. This is Daytime Live.
Hey, hey, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday.
all the terms that we'll learn on Daytime.